Hi guys, this is Aubrey here from All About Gadgets, and today I'm going to do the unboxing and a first look at this Xiaomi Mi Band HRX edition, which is a budget fitness tracker from Xiaomi. So without wasting any further time, let's do the unboxing. So this is the box. It's a small box. This is a budget fitness tracker. As I said, here's the branding, Mi Band HRX edition, and here let me show you the specifications. As given, the product name is Mi Band 2i, but in India you will get as Mi Band HRX edition. So this is the net quantity 1 unit. This is the 7 mAh battery, which is till now the highest battery capacity by highest battery and any of the budget fitness tracker within less than 1,500 rupees. And this comes with the IP67 water resistant protection, and it's priced at rupees 1,799, but hopefully this is not the current price. You will get it in India for rupees 1,299. And this product is made in China. I brought it from mi.com. So let's quickly open it up. Let me just open it. So let's just open it quickly. Break the seal. So yeah, break the seal. Not opening up. Yeah, now it is opening. Now as you can see, oh, here's the band. Let me just keep this aside. What else we get to see? Let me see. So this is the strap. As you can see here, let me just zoom out a bit. So this is the strap. As you can see, you can wear it like this. Like this you can wear it. Now let's check what else we get to see in the box. So in the box you get to see a user guide and a warranty booklet. It's very big, and here is given how to charge your Mi Band. Let me show you just. And this is not the main thing. Let me keep it aside. Let's see what else you get in the box. Oh, this is the charger. As you can see, you have to connect with any of your data cable and you can charge it. Any of your travel adapter, and you have to put this like this. This you have to put it like this and you can charge it. See, let me just show you one quick demo how to put it. So here I have the Xiaomi's charger. As you can see here, I have the Xiaomi's charger. So how to put it, I'm showing you. Let me just clear it. Like this you have to put it. Yeah. See, like this is the input. This is the cable. Wait a minute. Let me just clear it. Like this. You have to take it and put it like this, and here at this portion you have to put the band like this. It's not good tucking it. Yeah, like this you can charge. So you have to put it and then switch on, and then it will take the charge. So let us keep this aside, and let's do the first setup of this band. So this is the strap, and like I will wear it here like this. So I have to put it in this direction. Let me just put it out. It's not putting it. So by the time I fix it, let me show you the quick modes that we get to see in this band. So if I press this band, so as you can see here, it's showing the time, and this one is how much steps I've walked, and this is the distance, how much distance I've covered, and this is the calories burned and and this one is the battery percentage right now. So you have to charge it. Generally they claim that this goes on for 20 days, but honestly it does not go for 20 days. At least after 2 weeks you have to charge. I charge it at every 2 weeks. So this is the point for charging, and this is the simple just MI branding and nothing else. So let's set it up. So this is the strap. Let me just put it in. Yeah, so now I've put it in. As you can see, I have now successfully put it in. Yeah, now let's do the first setup, and let me show you how to set it up of this band. So at first you have to download the Mi Fit app to let this band work and calculate your steps and the distance. So first you have to download the Mi Fit app. I'll give the link in the description, you can go and check it out there. So let me just, I already downloaded it. Let me just a little bit, yeah. So let me just downloaded it. So let me just open it up. So here is the Mi Fit app. I'll give the link in the description. As I said, you can go and download it from there. Let me just reduce the brightness. Yeah. So you have to pair this. First you have to switch on the Bluetooth. You have to first switch on the Bluetooth. So first switch on. Now you have to tap add device. Then you have to select this band and then accept the that they are saying, and now they are searching the brand, and here is said that keep the band close to your phone. See, now it vibrated and saying to press the band. As I press it, and it will pair it. So here I pressed it. Okay, let me. So here is searching again. So now I've pressed it. Now it's saying that it's pairing. So here is paired successfully. Now at present is showing the 79% of charge. Since I have not walked after pairing here, so now they are showing everything 0. As I start walking, it will show. But one trick I've been using, that this band does not actually measures correctly. See, if I like this, if I shake it, see, it's already counted as 13 steps. This feature I didn't like because they are calculating as the band moves. So this I didn't like personally, because you should have tracked as soon as I do the steps. I am sitting here and still if I shake it also, see, if I shake it, see, let me just shake it. Yeah, I'll show you that again they are counting the steps. Let me clear it. See, they are counting the steps. So this feature I didn't like about this, but anyway, what can we expect from 13,000 band? So this was my unboxing and initial setup of this Mi Band HRX edition, and if you liked it, please like and share my video and subscribe to my channel, and if you still not hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. This is Orgo and I hope to meet you soon. So till then, goodbye.